Hi there. Your property manager has provided you with the Resident Inventory app so that you can easily complete your inventory and condition move-in inspection. This video will walk you through the steps of downloading the Resident Inventory app, completing your inspection, and sending it to your property manager. First, download the Resident Inspection app and log in using the username, your email, and password you were assigned in the email you received from your property manager. In this email, you'll find instructions for downloading the app, whether you're using an Apple device or Android. There's also a direct link to download the app directly. We recommend opening this email from your mobile device to make finding and downloading the Resident Inventory app easier. It's important to complete your inspection in a timely manner, as most resident inventory inspections are limited and you have only a small number of days to complete your move-in inspection. Your password is case sensitive, so be sure to enter the password exactly as it appears in the email you were sent. Once logged in, you will see your property manager's name, your name, the inspection type, how long you have to complete the inspection before it expires, a support button that contains a save to camera roll toggle switch that is set to on by default. This adds the photos you take during the inspection to your phone's camera roll in addition to saving them in the app. This is also where you can find the office number for your property manager and the contact info for the Resident Inventory app technical support team. To start your inspection, click Next. This will bring up a list with your property address in it. Click the green Start button to begin the inspection. You'll be prompted to select the number of areas you have in your property. Select the correct number for each area, and then click the Next button in the top right corner of the app. This will populate each area you selected as its own line item. Click on an area, and you will see a list of room items. Each room item will have a clean, undamaged, or working checkbox. By clicking each, you can select whether a particular room item was clean, yes or no, undamaged, yes or no, or working, yes or no. Selecting the All Yes button in the top left will highlight all room items as yes and can make it easier to move through each area of your property. Each area allows you to keep track of checkboxes, add text comments, and include photos of anything that might be damaged or worth noting. You can type comments with the keypad or use the voice dictation microphone button on your keyboard. If you click No for any checkbox or write a comment for any room item, then at least one photo will be required. You can take up to 10 photos per room item. Once you've gone through each room item in an area, click the All Done button in the top right corner. This will bring you back to the Areas screen and place a green check mark next to the area you've already completed. Simply select the next area of the property until all areas are completed. The Resident Inventory app makes it easy to do a full and thorough inspection of your property and is much faster than having to write out everything with pen and paper. Once you've completed all areas of the property and have a green check mark next to each, you're ready to sign and send your inspection. Click the All Done button in the top right corner, add any additional comments you may have, then click All Done again. Now confirm you're ready to sign the report. Use your finger or a stylus to sign your name, then click Done. You should see your saved signature on the Details page. Now simply click Send and you're all done. Remember, it's required to sign your inspection before you can send it to your property manager. You will get a confirmation that your inspection has successfully been uploaded and sent. You can now exit the app or click the orange download button and download the inspection by either selecting the Quick View, which opens the report in your mobile browser, or Download, which downloads the report to your phone as a PDF. That's it. Congratulations, your inspection is complete. Thanks for using the Resident Inventory app.